ICT textbook is boring, right? Do you believe it's too voluminous, containing a lot of information? Even if you read it 1,000,000 times, you might still not be able to answer IGCSE questions correctly. We have a solution for you. We have created all-in-one IGCSE summary slides for each chapter. It covers the whole curriculum. We present it in a concise manner, all you need to be an A-star student. The slide is well prepared by an ICT Cambridge examiner. After each topic, we provide IGCSE-related questions with answers. Download now. www.highsayteamadeeasy.com.
Hi, you are welcome back to this channel. This is October-November 2021, paper 2. All right, I'm going to continue from where I stopped in my last video, and that's on database, right, and document production. This video is going to comprise of two different sections, and that's tasks 4 and 5, mail merging and presentation. So this question says, create a mail merge document using the file. This file, I've already opened the file. Okay, the file is here. We are going to use this file, then together with this file as well as your data source. Now, if you want to do that, it just needs to import the data source. So you click on mail merging, click on mailing. So then after that, you click on select recipient and you use an existing one. Then in my own case, I save my file when the download, and the folder is here. So then this is the file that we are looking for. Then you click on open, then press OK. Now, then after that, just only a few clicks. Then after that, the question says, replace the text and chevrons. So in the master document with the merge fields from the data source file as follows. TTL, you replace it with title. FN, you replace it with first name. LN with last name. AI with address 1, address 2, address 3. PC with postcode. Those are the things we need to do now. So basically here, you come here, insert, you replace it with TL, title. Then FN, that's first name, you replace it with first name, space. Don't forget to put space, okay? Then last name. Then A1, that will be address 1. Press enter to go to next line. A2, that will be address 2. Press enter to go to its original position. Address 3, PC to be postcode, then dear something, that will be title, right? Then LN, that will be last name. Okay, then you look at, is there anything? Okay, JB, there is JB here, job description, I think. Oh, let me look at the question. JB stands for job. Okay, JB stands for job. Then don't forget to put space. Department, space. Then mang, I think that should be manager, perhaps line manager, I believe. So then full stop. You can just check the question. Mang means okay, line manager. Good. Then this one starts. Then you replace it with start date. Then only sal, don't touch that symbol. Okay, only this. Then I think this one should be salary, space. That's all. Try to look closely. You don't want to miss any single mark here. That's all what we need to replace. Now, the question says, make sure the spacing, punctuation, and alignment in the original master document are maintained. Yeah, that's why I keep saying that you put space, space, space. So make sure you maintain all the space. Now, replace the text, candidate's name with your name. Candidate's name, where is it? Candidate's name, replace it with your name. Okay, replace it with your name. Then save and print your master document showing the match fields codes. Then after that, you print it out. Now you print this one out like this, Control P. That's print, right? Control P, and you print it out like this. Simple. This is your first printout. Now the next question says set an automated filter to select recruit where salary is 18,000 or more. So you need to come here, edit recipient list. You see filter. Then you need to choose salary. According to the question, salary is equal to or greater than or equal to 18,000. 18,000, you see, greater than or equal to 18,000. When you press OK, how many people have a salary more than 18,000? Just only 4. Okay, now after you've done that, then the question says you have to screenshot your form. Just to make sure that you have done it correctly, you need to screenshot it like this. Okay, you need to screenshot it and you put it in your evidence document. We'll press OK, and you press OK here, and come here and you put it in your evidence document. Now the next question says merge and print the letters for the selected recruit only, then save and close the file. That's all. 7 marks. It doesn't worth losing. You can just get 7 out of 7 here. So the last part is we need to merge. Click on merge, print document, or you can just click on edit individual, press OK. Yeah, these are the 4 documents you have, all the 4 you have. And then you press Ctrl P and you can print all the 4 documents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you press it. Then you print it. So that's all what you need to do on that disk. Now let me move to presentation now. For the presentation, the question says you are going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Unless otherwise instructed, slides must be formatted to display a title and bulleted list. Now create a presentation of 6 slides using the file, this file. Well, what you do here is just try to open PowerPoint here. Okay, then after this one is opened, so let me just close this, and you can click on file, then open, then browse this. You can see that I couldn't find anything, but just click on all file. Now according to the question, I'm going to use 2102 charm. So this file, that's what I'm going to use. Then you press open. Or you can just go there and you right click and you open directly from there. So you click open editing or enable editing. Now the next question says place in the header your name, center number and candidate number in the header, right? So as usual, just insert, and you can see header and footer here. Header and footer, just click on it. For the header, then you put, so from here, as you can see, there is no way I can put the header. All this one, they are just footer. Okay, in that case, that's another way of asking you to put something in the master slide. You click on view, then you see slide master, then you come to the first slide, then just try to minimize this one a little bit. Then you can put the header of, just click on inserts and you come to shape, text, then just put it here. Then you can write your name, then center number, then candidate number. All right, you put it there. Then after that, you can close the master slide. You see slide master, just close it. Then you will see that this one, it will appear, this is the header, it will appear on every single page. Okay, that's how to solve that problem. Now the next thing says change the layout of the slide with the title International Scale Competition. Where is that slide? international scale competition. Let me close this one. International scale, okay, this one. Now we need to change the style or the layout of that slide to a title and table. Title and a table. So basically what we do here is you come here. We don't have title and table here, but it's okay. What you do is you can just use title and content, just as simple as that. Title and content. Then we are going to put the table there. Now the next one says create a table that contains 4 columns and 7 rows. So 4 columns, 7 rows. So you click on table, then how many columns? 4. How many rows? Then 7. So press OK. That's all. Now then after that, copy the data from the file n211 comp, so and place this in the table. Now let's look for this file, n211 something. Okay, this one. Then let's open this. Anything we find here they want us to copy, just double click here, make everything look feasible, then you copy, Ctrl C, and you come to the table and Ctrl V. Ctrl V. Now then after we've done that, format the table so that a plain table style is applied. Plain table style. So click on the table and you come to layout, or you come to design, table design. Then we want a plain one, the first one. Okay, we want a plain one, or perhaps this one. Okay, not the color one. Then no text is wrapped within the table. No text is wrapped within the table. You know the meaning? So it means that you don't have something like this, spar on one line, then Francorchamps on another line, Belgium on another line. No text wrap. Makes me try to expand so that you don't have any text wrap. Then the next one says the table fits on the slide with all data fully visible. Let's try to see. Yeah, it fits on the slide with all data fully visible. Then all internal and external grid lines are displayed when printed. Yeah, this is what we call internal and external grid line. Okay, then insert a new row at the first row of the table. So merge the new row. We need to insert a new row here. Right click, and then you can see insert. Where is it? Right click and insert. Well, it's okay, just click here and you come to layout and you can see insert above. Okay, that's the new row. Then all rows are 1.5. oh sorry, from here merge cells in the first row and enter the text, this one and this, enter this text. So we need to merge. Click on merge, then you enter this text and this one. So rows 1 and 2 look like this. Okay, this one for the row 1 and 2 looks like this. Okay, in that case what we need to do is, we've already merged this one, right? So what we're supposed to do initially is we need to split it into 2. I think we haven't merged it yet. It's quite easier. The easiest way of doing it is you can just undo, try to undo. Okay, then you can just merge only these 2. Simple. And then you merge only these 2 as well. That's just easiest way of doing it. Or you can even use the split option that we used earlier. So what you copy word link for this one and arrow scales for the first one. Arrow scale for the first one. Simple. Now then the question, format the table so that all rows are 1.5 centimeter high. All rows are 1.5 centimeter. Highlight the table 1.5 centimeter high, 1.5 cm. So, but it looks like this one is actually in inch, not in centimeter. So I need to fix this problem. Let me check. Okay, so actually it wasn't here. Let me just undo. Okay, it was like this earlier, right? So let me click on the table, then I come back to design here. Then I need to make this one to be 1.5 centimeter. So 1.5 centimeter. It looks is quite much, but let me see the rest of the question first. So then text, all rows are 1.5 centimeter high, and text in all rows is center aligned vertically and horizontally. Center align, so that one is quite easy. So just click on center, then you click on this one, vertically, center vertically and horizontally, just as simple as this. But definitely this is not 1.5 centimeter, this one is inches. So I think I need to figure it out somewhere in my computer. How do I convert this one to centimeter from inch to centimeter? What's the best way of doing this? Well, let me quickly search. Oh, 1.5 centimeter to meter. Let's say 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter is equal to how many inch? Is 0.59. Okay, let me just change this one to 0.59. But in your own case, I believe yours is 0.59. Yours won't be like this, so no worries. This one is just a software issue, right? So it's supposed to look like this. Now, is that what we need to do? The question never says maybe you need to increase the font size or anything. So just leave it as the way it is. Then the last part of the question says add the following text as presenter or speaker notes. So for the slide with the title International Skill Competition. So just copy this. Then you come back to the slide. Then you will see notes. Can you see the notes here? You see the notes here. Then you can just drag it and you put whatever you want to put there, put it there. You see notes somewhere here, notes. Okay. Now you print it out. Make sure your name, center number, and company number are on this slide. Yeah, it is there, right? It is there. So we did it earlier. So then you print it out. You print out only this slide. So Control P to print. But before we print, do we need to follow any instruction? Print only this slide as presenter or speaker notes. Print only this slide as presenter or speaker notes. So if you want to print this one, so you say you want to custom range, print current slide, only current slide. But you want to print it as what? So there are a few options that you need to choose from here. Where is it? So then the last part of the question says save the presentation, then print all slide in the presentation as a handout using the layout of 6 slides to the page. Yeah, that's all, and you can claim your 30 marks. So the last part, just Control P, and you can print the whole thing, but you choose this option, or the whole 6 slides, current slide, no, all the slides, the whole 6 slides, all of them are going to be on just in a single page, and you just print it out. So, and it's just as simple as that. Then my next video is going to be on paper 3. So this one is paper 2, October, November. So I'm going to make a video in a moment for paper 3 as well, for web authoring as well as the Excel. So thank you for watching this video. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, try to subscribe so that you can get notifications on my next videos. So thank you, bye.